Hey everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video of course is going to be on the July 2024 bargain bee box. Just pulled it out of the mail just a few minutes ago. So before I get started, I wanted to mention that noise, whispering noise you hear in the background is my air purifier. So just wanted to let you know that. Anyway, we're gonna dive right in. As you can see, I didn't even open it, so let's see what we have here. And if you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please. Let's see what we got. Okay. Oh, yellow. Uh-oh. Oh, like kind of like a golden yellow organza bag this month. And let's see. The theme is desert sands. So the Southwest Inspired collection stars the earthy beauty of picture Jasper. Okay. With two 15-inch strands of rounds, a 7-inch strand of rectangle beads, and a 30mm tab pendant. There's plenty of pieces for multiple projects. Accents include red jasper, lapis lazuli, and sparkling crystal, while high-quality rectangle pendants in stainless steel and sterling silver plated brass show crinkled textures reminiscent of desert dunes. Okay, and always, of course, if you are subscribed to Bargain Bee Box, you can get 30% off from their sister store, which is the beadboxbargains.com. And you can always submit whatever you make to their monthly contest on their Facebook page. So, well, let's get started. There are 18 items in here. I'm not going to go in any order, just whatever I pull out of here. So, let's see. See what we got here. Okay, I think this is the one that she showed on her tutorial the other day. Oh, these are pretty. Okay, so it's 18mm picture Jasper rectangle beads, 7 inches. Look at that. These are really pretty. I like how the shapes are really uniform. One is in, larger than the other in case you want to use them together. It will look uniform. It's really pretty. Okay, so we have that. I'm gonna go right here into number 15, which is a 5mm faceted Rondell spacer beads. I won't take all these out, but these are pretty. Usually I don't take spacer beads out, but these are really pretty. Get in a little closer. So these are faceted spacer beads. Kind of looks like a little nut bolt. They are heavy. They do have some weight to them. And they sparkle. So there we go with that. Probably leave it down here so we have something to look at. Okay, here's another one. Number 16. 8mm dotted wavy bead caps. Let's just take a couple of these out. These are pretty. I'm running low on bead caps myself. It's kind of like a cone shaped bead cap. There you go. Alright. Number 8, 6.4mm crystal faceted rondelles in turquoise. And these do have the AB coating, it looks like, on there. And here we have the 3mm lapis lazuli microfaceted round beads. Okay. And here we go with some toggles here. 3 sets, 18mm open square toggle clasp. And here is some more, what looks like brass diamond cut jewelry chain. This is pretty. I usually don't open chain up either, but this looks kind of sparkly. Right there. Let's see what else we have here. 4mm crystal bicone beads, and these are also AB coated, which is Aurora Borealis. And let's see what we have here. Number 2 is 8mm picture Jasper round beads. There we go. So it matches our other beads here, our rectangles. It's a nice long strand of pearls. They're really nice. Okay, set these over here. Let's see what else we have. These are pretty. 8mm synthetic Aqua, Terra, Jasper Mame beads. 7-inch strand. It's pretty. Like how it has those earth tones with our pretty pale blue in there. That. And number 3 is, I'm certainly not going in order, is 6x4mm red rainbow Jasper Rondell beads, 7 inches. This is pretty. Different shades of red in there with a little bit of orange. You got some tan in there. Got a little chip there. Got that. What is this? This was number 1. So this is a picture Jasper rectangle tab pendant. There you go. And it's different on both sides. Very nice and smooth. Okay, what else? This is number 14. 4-piece 17mm sterling silver plated brass texture rectangle links. These are pretty. That wavy pattern. Just give a different element to whatever you're making. Really like these. Here we have, these are pretty. 10mm faceted crystal beryl beads in dark red coral. And again, we have that AB coating on there, which gives it a lot of extra sparkle. These are pretty. see what else we have. This is, there we go, 33 by 25 mil stainless steel textured rectangle pendant. That's all. It's the difference between sizes right there. Okay. Oh, we got some more of those rectangle pendants. This is a two-piece 7 mil sterling silver plated brass textured rectangle charms. So are these different than this? Looks the same. It's odd. I wonder why it was in different packages. I don't know. I'm going to put this back in here though. And here we have, this is pretty, 6 mil frosted glass round beads in dark coral red. It's nice. This will add some texture also. Nice long strand here, as you can see. That. And the last one. It's always sad when you come upon the last one. Let's see what it is. Whoop. 6 mil picture Jasper matte round beads, 15 inches. So there we go. I can't wait to see what I'm going to make with all of this. Got a lot of like earth tones going on here. And that is it for this month's Bargain Bee Box for July 2024. There you have it. So that was quick, bittersweet. Oh, goodness. It's pretty combination of colors. And if you haven't gotten your bee box, Bargain Bee Box yet, I hope you get it soon. I think that's it. I'll put my card here again. And if you need any items that were in previous Bargain Bee Boxes, you can find them on my beadedjeweldesign.etsy.com. That's where I put everything I don't use. So you might find some things you need there. I would check it out. It's really, they're really cheap. Everything's like $2–3, you know, stuff like that. But it's from a few years going back, collecting Bargain Bee Boxes that I haven't used, or a lot of items that I didn't need. So check it out if you're looking for certain items that they don't have on their website anymore. And that is it, everybody. I hope you get your box soon and enjoy it, and we'll all see what we make from it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my website, beadedjewel.com. And I think that's it. Enjoy making all your goodies with your Bargain Bee Box. And I will talk to you soon in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.